Welcome to our channel. We deliver daily, high-quality content to help you make informed decisions about various products. Today, we're diving into the world of public speaking with the best microphone for your needs. Get ready to enhance your speaking experience. And remember, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Let's get started. Number 1. Shure Microflex MX153T. The Shure Microflex is a great omnidirectional headset microphone. One of the features of the MX153T OTQG is its sub-miniature omnidirectional cartridge. This small but powerful component delivers superior audio clarity. Whether you're giving a speech or singing on stage, the MX153T OTQG captures your voice with impressive accuracy, ensuring that your audience hears every word and nuance. The TQG D.A 4F connector on the end of the microphone is a benefit for users of Shure wireless body-worn transmitters. It provides a direct and secure connection, eliminating the need for adapters or converters. This convenience is especially useful for performers and presenters. Comfort during prolonged use is a critical factor, and the MX153T OTQG excels in this regard. Its ultra-lightweight and flexible design makes it easy to wear for long periods of time without discomfort. The microphone is stable and can be comfortably placed over either ear, ensuring a secure fit even during dynamic performances. Number 2. Tonor TW820. One of the most impressive aspects of the Tonor TW820 is its pristine sound quality. Equipped with a professional cardioid dynamic capsule, this system delivers excellent, clear, pure, and full sound reproduction. Whether you're belting out your favorite karaoke tunes, addressing a big party, DJing, hosting a wedding, or conducting a classroom lecture, the TW820 ensures that your voice shines through without the interference of background noise or howling. Signal stability is crucial in a wireless microphone system, especially when multiple microphones are in use simultaneously. The TW820 excels in this department, offering 15 adjustable frequencies per UHF mic. This feature allows up to 15 sets to operate concurrently without worrying about interference. Durability is often overlooked but essential for microphones in demanding settings. The Tonor TW820 doesn't disappoint in this aspect. The all-metal microphone with a steel mesh grille is remarkably resistant to impact and corrosion. Number 3. Shure BLX2. The Shure BLX2 PG58 handheld wireless transmitter with PG58 vocal microphone capsule is a great piece of audio equipment that provides professional-grade wireless transmission for vocalists, speakers, and performers. One of the standout features of the BLX2 PG58 is its ability to deliver superior sound quality. Featuring the Shure PG58 professional vocal microphone capsule, this transmitter delivers your voice with clarity and precision. Whether you're a singer, presenter, or public speaker, your audience will enjoy clear sound without compromise. The BLX2 PG58 gives you the freedom to move around the stage and communicate with your audience without being tied down by cables. Setting up the BLX2 PG58 is a breeze. Shure's BLX series is known for its user-friendly design, allowing beginners and professionals alike to get up and running quickly. And with a single pair of AA batteries, you can enjoy up to 14 hours of continuous use. Number 4. Zoetek ZWZ258. The Zoetek ZWZ258 portable rechargeable mini voice amplifier is a compact and powerful audio solution that promises to enhance your public speaking, whether you are a teacher, trainer, tour guide or presenter. With a maximum output power of 10 watts, this mini voice amplifier delivers crystal clear, distortion-free sound that can cover an impressive area of up to 10,000 square feet, 1,000 square meters. The ZWZ258 is equipped with a built-in 1800 mAh lithium battery that provides up to 12 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Recharging is a breeze and takes only 3 to 5 hours via a USB cable. The included wired headband microphone can be adjusted to find the perfect distance between your mouth and the microphone for optimal sound capture. Made of durable and wear-resistant ABS material, this voice amplifier boasts a fashionable appearance that is suitable for a variety of settings. Number 5. JK Professional Headset. The JK Professional Headset, head-worn microphone mic J071S is a superior audio tool that delivers impeccable sound quality in a discreet and comfortable package. Designed for use both indoors and outdoors, this microphone's dust and water-resistant design ensures that it can handle the harshest demands of a variety of activities. At the heart of the Mic J071S is a professional vocal pickup and an omnidirectional condenser microphone. These features combine to deliver unparalleled sound quality, capturing your voice with exceptional clarity. The microphone is a versatile choice, as it features a 1/8" 3.5 mm locking screw plug that is compatible with Sennheiser Revolution Series, G2, G3, EWD1, SK-D1, and Line 6X2 digital wireless microphone systems. This wide compatibility ensures that it integrates seamlessly into your existing audio system, making it a seamless addition to your equipment.